Hello, my name is Martin Moore and this is one of my trick tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at an effective way to make your juggling look better. And that way is by putting in a pause. A pause in a juggling routine can look very, very strong because by stopping, well, maybe you give your audience a chance to applaud. Also, it gives you a chance to start again. So a simple stop and start again can make an easy juggling routine look much, much more professional. Stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. Okay, this is how we're going to do it. First, what we're going to do is start with just one ball. We're going to balance the ball on the back of our hand. It's easier with a beanbag, but also just as possible with a ball. To make it even easier for beginners, what we do is we get our hand and we raise our two outside fingers slightly. Hope you can see that. So it makes a little space for the ball to fall into. Once you have the hang of it, you no longer need to make the little space. But to start with, just raise your outside fingers a little bit to catch the ball in. Now, go and have a practice of that. Now, straight away on your other hand. Left hand catching the ball on the top of your hand. Go and have a quick practice of that. Now we're going to make it a little bit more interesting to do and hopefully develop our juggling skills along the way. Take your one ball. Catch it on top of your hand. Now I'm going to throw the ball slightly into the air and grab it on the way down. So the ball went up slightly and my hand grabbed with my palm staying facing down. So from the top of my hand it went up slightly and I grabbed it on the way down. Up, grab. The grab motion is very important. So try it on the right and also try it on the left. Give it a go, see how you get on, come right back to me. This is what I want you to do. Grab, then throw the ball back onto the top of the same hand. Grab, throw, grab, throw, grab, throw. Go and practice that, see how you get on. Two balls. One on the back of each hand. Now you can, if you want to try it, try and throw them and catch them in the grab both at the same time. Grab, back. Whoa. Kind of difficult. Grab, back. Or an easier option is to alternate. Go and give that a try and see how you get on. So now, if you can do it alternating, maybe you can do it alternating much more quickly. Go and give that a go. Let's try something different that is a really nice trick. Instead of the flat part of your hand, it's just two fingers. You're just using two fingers. You do the same grab and catch. Practice it just with two fingers. Do it on both sides. Now, the reason we are using just two fingers is because we're going to hold a ball in our hand at the same time. It looks like this. When I do the trick, I'm going to throw the ball on top up into the air and the ball on the bottom is going to go across to my left hand. It looks like this. Did you see what happened? Look again. Two fingers. I've got a pause. I throw the top ball up. The bottom ball goes across. I catch the top ball in my right hand and I'm back into my juggling cascade. Have a look. Go and give that a go and see how you get on. So for this trick, you could catch the ball, have a pause, back into juggling again. Catch the ball, pause, back into juggling again. Looks pretty nice, right? Or perhaps you could do it that every ball from your left hand was caught upon your fingers. Then there's a pause and back to juggling again. I think this pause trick is well worth learning. It's a fun trick. You'll be able to pick it up quite quickly, and I hope you have great success with it. My name is Martin Moore. This is one of my trick tutorials. If you've enjoyed it, please hit subscribe, come back and watch some more videos, leave me a comment, and hopefully I'll see you again sometime. Happy juggling!